The drone ascends, lifting off from the bustling streets below, rising higher and higher into the sky. Kathmandu unfolds below, a vibrant tapestry woven into the valley floor. The cityscape stretches out, revealing a blend of ancient temples and modern buildings, each telling its own story. The air buzzes, not just from the drone's rotors, but from the city's energy. The streets are alive with the hustle and bustle of daily life, a symphony of sounds that rise up to meet the sky. This is Kathmandu, a city where ancient spirituality meets modern chaos. Here, centuries-old stupas stand side by side with contemporary structures, creating a unique blend of the old and the new, where the Himalayas stand guard over a living history. The majestic peaks loom in the distance, a constant reminder of the natural beauty that surrounds this urban landscape. From this vantage point, Kathmandu's unique urban layout becomes clear. The city is a maze of narrow streets and alleys, each leading to hidden courtyards and bustling markets. A patchwork of red brick buildings and temples interwoven with green courtyards and snaking alleyways. The architecture tells a story of resilience and adaptation, of a city that has grown and evolved over centuries. The Bagmati River, a holy waterway, cuts through the city, reflecting the sky like a ribbon of mercury. It is a lifeline for the people, a source of spiritual and physical sustenance. This is not a city of grids and straight lines, but one that has grown organically, adapting to the contours of the land and the needs of its inhabitants. Each building, each temple telling a story of the past. The architecture is a living testament to the city's rich history, a narrative written in stone and brick, in wood and metal. Kathmandu Valley, ringed by emerald hills, is a bowl of history. The drone's camera pans across, capturing ancient stupas reaching for the heavens, their white domes symbols of peace and enlightenment. The city, over 2,000 years old, has seen empires rise and fall, witnessed the birth of religions, and felt the tread of pilgrims and conquerors. Temples and shrines adorned with intricate carvings are everywhere. They are not just places of worship but community centers, gathering places where life unfolds. The scent of incense wafts on the breeze, mingling with the aroma of spices from street vendors. It's a sensory feast, a city that awakens the soul. The drone soars towards a hilltop crowned with a golden spire. This is Swayambhunath, the monkey temple, one of Kathmandu's most iconic landmarks. Hundreds of mischievous monkeys scamper across its steps, their playful antics a constant source of amusement for visitors. The temple's white dome symbolizes purity, while the watchful eyes of Buddha, painted on its four sides, gaze out over the valley. Pilgrims circumambulate the stupa, spinning prayer wheels and chanting mantras, their devotion palpable. Legend says Swayambhunath emerged from a lotus flower that bloomed on a primordial lake that once filled the valley. It's a place where faith takes flight, where the mundane surrenders to the spiritual. The drone follows the Bagmati River, its waters now a muddy brown, to Pashupatinath Temple, one of Hinduism's holiest sites. Here, life and death intertwine in a poignant dance. Sadhus, holy men with ash smeared on their bodies, meditate on the ghats, while funeral pyres burn on the riverbank, releasing souls into the next life. The air is thick with the scent of sandalwood and marigolds, a bittersweet aroma that speaks of both celebration and mourning. Life and death are not seen as opposites here, but as two sides of the same coin, a cycle that is both eternal and sacred. Section 5, Kathmandu Durbar Square, a kingdom's heart. The drone descends into the heart of Old Kathmandu, to Durbar Square, once the seat of Nepal's royal family. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the square is an architectural wonder, a testament to the skill and artistry of Newari craftsmen. Intricately carved wooden windows, known as peacock windows, adorn palaces and temples. Stone deities guard doorways, their expressions frozen in time. The air hums with activity as locals and tourists alike marvel at the architectural splendor. Though damaged by the 2015 earthquake, the square is slowly being restored, a symbol of the city's resilience. Section 6, a city alive, markets and streets. Leaving the historical grandeur behind, the drone dives into the labyrinthine streets of Tamil, Kathmandu's vibrant tourist hub. Tamil is a place where the old and new coexist in a fascinating blend. The streets are lined with shops selling everything from traditional handicrafts to modern gadgets. Tourists and locals alike throng the area, creating a lively atmosphere that is both chaotic and charming. The air is filled with the sounds of haggling, laughter, and the occasional honk of a motorbike trying to navigate through the crowd. A riot of colors and sounds, the narrow alleys are a sensory overload. The vibrant hues of fabrics, the glitter of jewelry, and the rich aroma of spices create an intoxicating mix. Street vendors call out to passers-by, offering a variety of goods that reflect the rich cultural tapestry of Nepal. Every corner turned reveals a new surprise, from hidden temples to quaint cafes. Shops overflow with trekking gear, catering to the adventurers who come to Kathmandu as a gateway to the Himalayas. From sturdy boots to high-tech climbing equipment, everything a trekker might need is available here. The shopkeepers, many of whom are seasoned trekkers themselves, offer valuable advice and stories of their own adventures. Tibetan prayer flags flutter in the breeze, adding a spiritual dimension to the bustling streets. These colorful flags, inscribed with prayers and mantras, are believed to bring peace and harmony. They are a common sight in Kathmandu, reflecting the city's deep-rooted spiritual traditions, and the aroma of momos, delicious Tibetan dumplings, fills the air. Street food is an integral part of Kathmandu's culture, and momos are a favorite among locals and tourists alike. These steamed or fried dumplings, filled with meat or vegetables, are served with a spicy dipping sauce that adds an extra kick. The drone navigates through a maze of people, bicycles, and the occasional cow, capturing the essence of Kathmandu's street life. Vendors hawk their wares, children play, and the streets are alive with activity. The city's unique charm lies in its ability to blend the old with the new, the sacred with the mundane. Every street, every alley has a story to tell, a piece of history to share. And life unfolds at a frenetic pace. The energy is palpable, and there's a sense of urgency in the air. People move quickly, going about their daily routines, yet there's a rhythm to the chaos that is uniquely Kathmandu. It's a city that demands your attention, that pulls you into its whirlwind of activity. This is a city that never sleeps, where the streets are just as lively at night as they are during the day. The markets stay open late, and the nightlife is vibrant. From traditional dance performances to modern bars and clubs, there's something for everyone. The city lights up, and the energy shifts but never diminishes. A place where ancient traditions meet modern chaos. The juxtaposition of old temples and new buildings, of traditional practices and contemporary lifestyles, creates a dynamic and ever-evolving cityscape. Kathmandu is a city of contrasts, where every visit offers a new perspective, a new experience. Section 7. Festivals in the Sky. The drone ascends again, high above the city, to capture Kathmandu during one of its many vibrant festivals. From this vantage point, the city reveals its true essence, a blend of ancient traditions and modern celebrations. The streets below are alive with energy, as people from all walks of life come together to partake in the festivities. The sky explodes in a kaleidoscope of colors as kites take flight during Dashain, the biggest festival of the year. This festival, which marks the victory of good over evil, sees the entire city come alive. Children and adults alike take to the rooftops, their eyes fixed on the sky, guiding their kites with skill and precision. The air is filled with the sound of laughter and the occasional cheer as a kite soars higher than the rest. The air crackles with excitement as families gather on rooftops, their laughter echoing through the streets. It's a time for bonding, for sharing stories and creating memories. The rooftops become a stage for friendly competitions, as neighbors challenge each other to kite duels. The sense of community is palpable, as everyone comes together to celebrate this joyous occasion. During Holi, the festival of colors, the drone captures the city transformed into a vibrant canvas. The streets are awash with hues of red, blue, yellow, and green, as people throw colored powder and water at each other. It's a festival that transcends age and social barriers, bringing everyone together in a riot of color and joy. People celebrate in the streets, throwing colored powder and water, their faces painted in hues of joy and abandon. The air is filled with music and laughter as people dance and sing, lost in the moment. It's a time to forget worries and embrace the present, to revel in the simple pleasure of being alive. These festivals are a testament to the Nepalese spirit, a celebration of life, faith, and community. They are a reminder of the rich cultural heritage that binds the people of Nepal together, a heritage that is passed down from generation to generation. Through these festivals, the people of Kathmandu express their gratitude for the blessings of life, and their hope for a brighter future. Section 8. Beyond the City Walls. Leaving the city behind, the drone flies towards the emerald hills that encircle Kathmandu Valley. Terraced rice paddies like giant steps carved into the hillside paint the landscape in shades of green. Small villages, seemingly untouched by time, dot the landscape, offering a glimpse into a slower pace of life. The drone captures the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas, towering in the distance, a reminder of the raw power and majesty of nature. This is the other side of Kathmandu, a place of serenity and breathtaking beauty where the soul finds solace. Section 9. Experience Kathmandu. The drone returns, its camera filled with images that tell 1,000 stories. Kathmandu is not just a city, it's an experience, a sensory journey that will stay with you long after you've left. So come, wander through its ancient streets, marvel at its architectural wonders, and immerse yourself in its vibrant culture. Let the spirit of Kathmandu embrace you, and discover the magic that awaits in this extraordinary city in the Himalayas.